Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let us understand what a firefighting system is in buildings and why it is one of the most critical parts of MEP services. A firefighting system is a safety system designed to detect, control, and extinguish fire in a building. Its main purpose is to protect human life, protect property, and minimize damage during emergencies. In modern residential, commercial, and high-rise buildings, fire safety systems are mandatory as per building codes and safety regulations. Now let's look at the main components of a firefighting system. First, fire detection system. This includes smoke detectors, heat detectors, and fire alarm panels. When smoke or abnormal heat is detected, the alarm activates immediately to alert occupants. Second, fire suppression system. This includes sprinkler systems, hydrant systems, and fire extinguishers. Sprinkler systems automatically release water when the temperature exceeds a set limit. Hydrant systems allow firefighters to manually control and fight the fire using hoses connected to pressurized water lines. Next, fire pump room. The pump room usually consists of a jockey pump, main pump, and diesel pump for backup power. These pumps ensure continuous water pressure during emergencies. Water for firefighting is stored in underground or overhead fire tanks. In high-rise buildings, wet risers and dry risers help distribute water to multiple floors efficiently. In simple words, a firefighting system is a complete network of detectors, alarms, pumps, pipes, and sprinklers working together to control fire quickly and safely. Understanding this system is very important for anyone working in MEP or facility management. Subscribe to MEP Basics to learn MEP and FM step by step with clear explanations and practical examples. We simplify complex building services concepts so you can confidently apply them on real project sites. MEP Basics. Learn MEP and FM the smart way. Thank you for watching.